Tukihugukira mohoro kuma icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini, tukwambiriria na kaunti ya Nairobi kuria muhuraniri wa githurano kia president na tigiti wa kiama gia Thirdway Alliance Ekuru Auko augite githurano no gigathie na mbere Raila akorwo kana age gukorwo ho.
Cannot be defined around an individual or a group of individuals. Again, I will urge you, read our statement carefully when you get it. We have said that we politicians are selfish in this country, and some politicians have a sense of false entitlement about the country, that the country cannot continue if it's not them.
Makire mogo Auko nionanite kuigania na riboti ira ratamburukirio ni kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC iguru ria mehariririe ma githurano.
Leo kwa jina la Yesu, kama mamlaka ya jina la Bwana.
Tukiuma kaunti ya Nairobi tuthie kaunti ya Ekuru kuria atongoria kanitha wa Worldwide Gospel morite thirikari hamwe na gwatha NASA gutio uruti wa wira wa honge kiumbe guku bururi-ini niguo guthaitira thayu na urumwe wa bururi.
The three arms of government are at war. Independence of constitutional bodies don't matter anymore. Rights of citizens have been trodden upon to a certain degree by the political leadership.
Atongoria mekoragia uhindi ya gutiria kiungano kia thikabu kanitha uyu kiria gikoretwo gigithie na mbere gwa kahinda ga thiku 4. Kugina ku mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Julius Koril neugite ni matwarite makiria arigitani 200 kaunti-ini ya Baringo niguo guteithirire guthaitira murimo wa malaria uria gumeire icigo nyingi kaunti-ini ino.
We sent in about 150 students and doctors from medical training college, both in Eldoret, West Pokot and in Baringo. And these have really boosted the response.
Korida ugete arigitani are ni agikiro kia manathi marutitwo thukuru-ini wa Kenya Medical hamwe na thibitari-ini ya Moi Teaching and Referral. Muthia ciiko cia kuhotomia ihoto cia ciana kaunti-ini ya Ekuru nicicokete thi na gikiro kinene mwaka-ini uyu thutha wa ikaria kaunti ino kunyitania na maafitha a borithi guikia ngono ndare makoretwo makiagarara ihoto ici.
Naivasha tuko na several homes mbali na hii, tuko na Maimahiu, tuko na homes kama 7 ambazo zinaangalia mambo ya watoto na sote zinafanya kazi vizuri. Tunafanya na wao kazi kwa karibu kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wote tumeangalia. Uhoro uyu uheanitwo ni commissioner wa Naivasha Isaac Masinde riria maafitha a borithi maracerire mucii wa ciana wa Ritwa Safe House na kuheana uteithio wa irio na nguo. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Ngugi wa Gatua.